Hey, welcome back to the channel. Fellas, not to fear, it is getting cold outside. Old man winter is trying to put his foot in our ass right now, but it's okay. We're gonna take it inside. We're gonna go man cave style. Guys, I'm gonna show you some great ideas, some man cave essentials. We're gonna do some how-to videos. Hey, it's gonna be a great time. Hey, just because it's getting cold outside doesn't mean we gotta suffer the whole winter. Hey, we're gonna jump into the man cave real quick and take a quick look. All right, here we go. I am so excited. We are inside the man cave. And remember, fellas, this is a place where you can come and unwind. This is your area of the house. Definitely want to make it that place for you that you can get that zen. You know what I'm saying? So first essential thing you want to do definitely is to get you a refrigerator. And you guys, as you can see, I've got the protein on the top, the water at the bottom, and I'm sure you guys have great ideas of what you can put in. That way, this keeps you self-contained. You don't have to go upstairs to get all the things that you need. You've got them essentially right here. Hey, loving that hat, by the way. Definitely loving that Moto hat. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. We've got the 65-inch TV here. And of course, you see I've got definitely put a swing on what you like. Guys, I am a horror movie fan, so you see that I went with the Wolfman and Frankenstein, just some classic horror movie posters. You see up top, I've got helmets. All the things that mean something to me are in my room. So I definitely want you to inspire and do ideas that are only what you like. Not what anyone else likes, not what the wife likes, not what the girlfriend likes, but what you like. All right, so you can see definitely went with an inspired theme here. All right, hey, let's continue this on. I'll be right back. All right, next up, you've gotta have some comfortable seating. I know a lot of you like leather, but I definitely went with the microfiber, guys. It is super warm, keeps you ultra clean. I went with the sectional, and it gives you more of the movie theater type feel. You can lay back, relax, kick your feet up, and it is awesome. So I definitely went with the setting of a sectional, and it just really depends on how big of area that you are covering. Definitely a couch or a sofa would do it. A sofa and a love seat if you have it, a sofa and a chair. You guys can configure that out, but make sure it is something comfortable like this. All right, next up, you've got to get your home office together. And as you can see, I've got the Chromebook there. I've got the iPad there. I've got all my little essentials to do all of my work here. And I try to keep everything self-contained. I've got a Bluetooth speaker there that I use just when I'm in a zen moment doing some work. So definitely you want to include, if you can, that home office in your basement or your man cave or wherever it's located. I've got a comfortable chair right here that I can come and sit in and relax. So everything I need, just basically a desk, nice chair, and then your computer products and all your needs, all right? Let's keep it going. All right, fellas, we are in full swing right now. One super thing that you guys are gonna definitely need is you're going to have correct lighting. And as you can see, these are installed in the ceiling, and they're just your basic recessed lights that you definitely want to put on a dimmer. And I'm gonna jump that dimmer, and you guys can see that dim. And then we'll bring them back up, and then we'll bring them down to a dim. And all that does is set a great mood for you. You can relax. It actually saves on energy when you dim those lights, but it's definitely a great way to go. They're not very expensive lights to put in. I'll show you guys how to install them easily and run the electricity in the safest way so that you can be up to code, all right? But definitely want to put some nice lighting in it. One more time, I'm going to dim those one more time. I'm gonna bring them down and bring them back up. That is awesome, and it sets a great mood, all right? We're gonna keep this thing going. All right, here we go. We are back and we are in the middle of the man cave right now. Hey, one thing that you definitely need down in your man cave is definitely entertainment. I'm gonna pan back around. I've got the 65-inch TV. Guys, it is great to have a TV down in the basement, but I'm gonna take it a step up. We're gonna show you guys how to install your own projection system right here. This is about a 120-inch screen right here, as you guys can see, and it's basically just adjusted to the ceiling. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in a tutorial, and we're gonna walk you through if you are interested in putting a projection system up in your man cave. I'm gonna jump back here. We're gonna look at the projector mounted to the ceiling. That is an in-focus projector. It has been self-mounted by myself. I've done all the work by myself. So definitely want to give you guys a heads up. If you want to learn this, I'm going to do a great tutorial and show you guys how to do it. We're going to even talk about the lighting. We're going to talk about the setup, everything, all things for your man cave. I think it is an awesome way to go. It is a great movie night, and it is an awesome way to watch the football games and all those sporting events that you love. The NBA is hitting right now, so definitely want to get those NBA games up on the screen here. But again, I've got the television also, just to switch back and forth between the two, which will give us a different view of everything. So it actually adds a lot of spice to the man cave, all right? So definitely, if you are feeling what I'm doing, don't forget to drop a like, share, and subscribe, and definitely stay tuned because we're gonna do some how-tos on how to do this, and I'm gonna show you guys just how easy this is. All right, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hey fellas, I am back once again, and I'm gonna show you guys you definitely need in your man cave is storage. And as you can see, I bought this from IKEA, or you can go pretty much any furniture store that sells storage bins. And all I did was I bought this bin and I bought these 4 yellow drawers to go inside, and they are super great storage. As you guys can see, I've got the motorcycle helmets there. I've got all my motorcycle gear inside these bags, and I put everything up so I know exactly where all of my face masks, all of my gloves, all of my accessories are here. Definitely a great idea for you. This did not cost much. It cost me about $200 total to do the whole thing. But I'm able to store all of my shirts, pants, gloves, hats, all of that good stuff's all in one spot. So just a quick tip to you, just to get some great storage for you and great storage solutions, all right? All right, fellas, so here we go. We've got the theater all set up. I'm gonna turn the lights down. We've got the music all done, the audio system. Also, we're going to do a tutorial of the music system and how we hooked everything up. I'm gonna just pan in on those tower speakers right there, the center speaker and the other rear speaker. We're gonna shut these lights off and give you a glimpse of Elf this year. All right, hold tight. And let's shut those lights down. Let's turn that volume up and let's enjoy the movie for a second.
Thermocoupler. You want to give me a hand with that?
You want me to help?
As much as Buddy was accepted by his family and friends, there were a few drawbacks to being a human in an elf's world.
All right, fellas, the sign back there says open, but we are about to close the channel out today. It is time to put a wrap on this video. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey, so I can get these out to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate all the feedback we're getting, and I love putting these videos out for you. Hey, stay tuned next week. We've got a lot to do in those man caves. All right, I'll see you soon. Peace.